In the turbulent 60s, a wave of social and political change swept across America. Amidst the tumult, a new movement began to gather momentum, the environmental movement. This crusade, driven by a growing concern for the health of the planet, would soon birth a monumental day, one that would forever change the course of history, Earth Day. The seeds of this revolutionary concept were sown in the mind of a brilliant senator from Wisconsin, Gaylord Nelson. In 1962, Rachel Carson's book, Silent Spring, exposed the devastating effects of chemical pesticides on the environment, igniting a spark of awareness in the hearts of many. Senator Nelson, seeing the potential for a national platform to amplify this growing concern, decided to act. On a crisp April day in 1970, the first Earth Day was held. Hundreds of thousands of Americans took to the streets, parks, and college campuses, rallying for a cleaner, healthier environment. From the bustling streets of New York to the picturesque college towns of California, the cry for environmental justice echoed across the land. The crisis that Earth Day sought to address was dire. Industrialization had led to air and water pollution, deforestation, and the destruction of wildlife habitats. The movement, however, was not just about protest, it was about education, awareness, and change. The action on that fateful day was a testament to the power of unity. People of all ages, races, and backgrounds came together, united by a common cause. They demanded change from their government, businesses, and communities. They wanted a future where the air was clean, the water was pure, and the earth was green. The consequences of that first Earth Day were profound. It sparked the creation of the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and the Clean Air Act, setting a precedent for environmental legislation. Earth Day also inspired the growth of environmental organizations, fostering a global network of activists dedicated to preserving the planet. Earth Day became a symbol of hope, a beacon of change in a world grappling with the consequences of industrialization. It demonstrated that when people come together, they can make a difference. And so, on that April day in 1970, a new chapter in human history began, a chapter dedicated to the preservation and protection of our beloved Earth.